Research shows it takes the average new hire 6 to 7 months to feel settled, comfortable, and fully productive in a new role. But most organizations treat onboarding as a short administrative sprint. They cram a mountain of paperwork and system logins into the very first day, which overwhelms the employee and significantly increases the risk of early turnover. We are going to build a better system. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to construct a comprehensive 5-stage onboarding program that spans an employee's entire first year. To follow along, open up a blank spreadsheet or a project management tool like Asana or Trello. By mapping this timeline out visually, you move onboarding out of the realm of an administrative chore. It becomes a visible, strategic system designed to carefully protect your hiring investment and successfully retain your best talent. Start with your blank project management canvas. This is the foundation where we will map out the employee's entire first year. Create 5 distinct columns or buckets for your timeline: pre-boarding, orientation, the first week, the first 90 days, and the first year review. Notice the size of the day 1 bucket. A common failure is treating orientation and onboarding as the same thing. Orientation is just a fraction of the journey. Day 1 should focus strictly on the experience. You want to prioritize introductions, a workplace tour, and cultural connections. Avoid burying new hires in policies they won't remember. Spreading required information across all 5 stages prevents new hire burnout and ensures critical knowledge is absorbed and retained over time. Once your columns are set, you have to assign responsibilities. When HR, IT, and managers assume someone else is handling a task, you get the bystander effect, and crucial steps fall through the cracks. To solve this, apply a rule of strict ownership. Every single task listed in your 5 columns must have a clearly designated owner. During pre-boarding, divide labor specifically. HR owns employment documents, while IT prepares equipment and credentials. Moving to the first week, ownership shifts heavily to the manager, who is tagged on one-on-one check-ins, daily routines, and team integration. When you look at your board and see 0 unassigned tasks, you eliminate organizational friction. The result is a seamless, confident arrival experience for the new employee. Now let's look at the first 90 days stage. This is the crucial window where general company onboarding transitions into role-specific enablement. A software engineer and a sales specialist require completely different tools and training. Running everyone through the exact same checklist fails to accelerate their time to productivity. To structure this properly, embed a 30, 60, 90-day plan into this phase. Break this column into 3 blocks: days 1 to 30, 31 to 60, and 61 to 90. The first 30 focus on learning. The next 30 shift to guided work. By the final 30, the employee achieves measurable independence. By building this 90-day structure directly into your project board, managers have an objective, measurable framework to track early performance, rather than just relying on their gut feelings. As your company grows, having managers and HR build these plans from scratch for every single new hire becomes a massive bottleneck. To fix this, create a dedicated resources section within your project tool. Store standardized templates here, like your welcome emails, day 1 agendas, and new hire FAQs, so they are ready to copy and paste. You also need a mechanism to measure if the process is actually working. Build scheduled feedback loops directly into the task board, so it doesn't become a checklist you just set and forget. You must schedule specific milestone check-ins to measure progress. Assign tasks to gather feedback at week 1, day 30, day 90, and the year 1 review. Ask diagnostic questions. Do you understand what success looks like? Do you have tools to perform? Do you feel supported? Attaching centralized resources and scheduling these precise feedback checkpoints turns a static checklist into a scalable, self-improving system. Look at what you've built. You have taken the chaos of a new employee's first day and stretched it into a structured, visible, year-long journey. The operational benefit is immediate cross-functional alignment. HR, IT, and managers know exactly what their responsibilities are, and the new hire has absolute clarity on what is expected of them. You can accelerate this implementation right now without having to write all of your resource documents from scratch. Click the link in the description to download our free onboarding checklist templates in Excel, Word, or PDF. You can immediately use them to populate your new workflow and set your next hire up for success.